Okay, you guys, I'm so not kidding. You just gotta believe what I'm saying. I don't know how else to impress upon you the wind on the highway. They know. No talking when we get on the highway. No talking, right? Do not talk to me. Do not ask me not unless it's an emergency until we get off the highway, right? So I'm driving. I can hardly hold that wheel. I swear to God. If you are driving a high side vehicle today, you hear me? You feel me? My arms are tight. I hear this, little voice, and I barely can hear. Ask me a question. I'm like, what? I can't hear. I'm like, wait till the highway. Wait till the highway's over. So all of a sudden I hear it again. Can you play Ariana Rana? That's what I hear, right? I'm like, Ariana Grande? That's what you want? No, that's not what she said, because another clarification came. Are we off the highway? Are we off? Play Ariana Grande. Are we off the highway? How do we get home? How do we make it? So I'm like, okay. Number five, right? That's the exit, number 5, right? I'm telling the other one, number 5, tell her it's number 5, right? So the little voice, what the 5? You gotta, what do you want? What do you want? You can't, I got nothing, right? I got nothing. I'm like this. I got nothing. What you want from me, people? I just saved your lives again, right? Saving lives is all I'm doing. To all you parents, don't worry about us. We made it.